Now we will learn how to use printf and scanf function in practical scenario of C++. So here we will write a program that is used to add or to find the sum of two numbers. So we are going to write a program to find sum of two numbers. I have write this comment just to show that what we are going to do in this code. Now the first step is to write our preprocessor directive, that is hash include. Sorry, we have missed the hash. Include stdio dot h. This is our preprocessor directive. Now we need to write our main function, that is int main. Now we will write the body of our program. Now we are going to find the sum of two numbers. So firstly we need to initialize those two numbers. So we are giving them the names as variables a and b. And in the third variable, that is sum, we will add these two variables. So this is showing the data type of a and b, that is integer type, and sum is the output variable that will add or store the value of a and b. Now we need to write or use printf function. In printf, we are giving simply a statement, that is enter the first number. Closing this with a statement terminator. Now we need to enter. We are taking the number from the keyboard, so we need to use the input function, that is the scanf. Now, if you remember, in scanf we have two things within the small braces. That is, first is the format specifier, and here we are using format specifier, that is %d. And the second thing is to use the name of the variable with a sign, that is ampersand symbol. So we are using ampersand symbol and a. It means we are taking the value from keyboard. Now we want to enter the same number, that is the b number, from the keyboard. So we need to write the same statements, that is enter the second number. Now we need to enter the second number from the keyboard. So we will again use scanf function. Within small braces, we will again define the format specifier, and we are here again taking the format specifier, that is %d. Now we need to write, comma, and then we have ampersand symbol, and then we have variable b. Closing it or terminating it with a statement terminator. Now we are going to use the sum variable. Now with the help of scanf, first one, we will enter the value through the keyboard, that is a value. Then we will enter value of b through the keyboard. Now we need to find the sum of these two numbers. So we will enter the output variable, that is sum is equal to a plus b, because this is a standard formula to find the sum of any two numbers. Now we want to see the sum of these two numbers, so we need to enter the command or the output function, that is printf. Now you want to find the sum, so we will write here the sum of numbers is. sum of numbers is, and then we need to write their format specified, and then the name of output variable. Closing it again with a statement terminator. Then get chg, get ch. Now this is our code is almost complete. Now we will check what will be the output of this code. In this program, we want to find the sum of two numbers using printf, which is the output function, and scanf, which is the input function. So we introduce three variables at the start because we are going to enter the value of two variables a and b through keyboard, and then we will store or add these two values in a third variable, which is the sum. So we have used printf function and scanf function. Now first save this code. Let's write the number. Name of this code, that is sum of numbers. Save this one. Now click on compile. Okay, it's giving an error, that is get ch. Let me use get ch. It's again giving the error. So let's remove this and check whether it will work or not. Now you can see there are 0 errors and we have 0 warnings. Now we will click on compile and run. Now see, in your output it's asking enter the first number. Let's suppose I am entering first number as 2. Enter the second number. Suppose I am entering second number as 3. Now the sum of numbers is 5. So this is a way how to use printf and scanf function in C++. That's all.